Right chaps, next one is another heavyweight from Meerkat, Tricircle 266. Bloody hate these things, hate tricircles. Anyway, enough moaning, let's give it a go. Commercial wrench again, this time with this big keyway, and my homebrew, a little steak knife homebrew. Let's go for it. Nice false set there. Counter here, counter rotation, definitely a spool. Come on. Come on. Yes! It's doing well this today, considering I stabbed myself in the bloody finger with it, which is going all black. But you have to suffer for your art sometimes. Nice and stiff that. Jobs are good.